Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix poor visual stability on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you actually improve your visual stability here on Shopify? Well, in this case, there are a few things that you can do here to probably resolve or improve your visual stability. So first things first that you could do here is to basically optimize the apps that is actually installed in your Shopify store. So in this case, you want to go to your Shopify store first, and you want to go and log in. Go to the bottom left here, go to settings, and in here you want to go to apps and sales channel. Now you want to review all of the apps that you're currently using. So for example, if you are not using an app currently, you could go ahead and just click or double click on the three-dot option here and basically uninstall it from your store, because sometimes having multiple apps installed in your store can actually in this case affect the visual stability of your website. Again, you want to go and review all the apps, especially if you're using a lot of apps here. You want to go and review them and see if you can disable one and basically uninstall them. Now, in this case, by installing them, this will actually improve the visual stability, or in this case, the speed of your website. Now, another thing that you could also do here is you want to review the images that you have on your store. So may it be on your products or in your actual store here or web pages, you want to review them. So for example, if you want to review your products, you just want to go to products, click on them, and you want to go and check the images that you have. So for example, I have this image here and we have the size for it. So currently this is the dimension of this image. But if you're not aware yet, you should also follow some dimension or guidelines directly from Shopify themselves to improve how your website actually loads up, or the visual stability for this one. So this is directly from Shopify. This is actually a blog from them, which is in this case discusses the image sizes recommended for certain elements. Like for example, if you have like background images, hero images, website banners, favicons, social media icons, and a lot more. So in this case, you should adhere to the sizes that they recommend you here, because adding too big of a file as an image for your store can actually slow down your website, or in this case further affect your visual stability. So in this case, you want to go and check your images for your products, as well as the images that you already have on your store. So you want to go to themes, just click on customize here, and check all the images that you have right now and see if they actually adhere to the sizes that you see here from Shopify itself. So by the way, you can just pause my screen here, or you can just go to shopify.com and just search for image sizes, and they will give you or recommend you this link here. But yeah, so in this case, you could go ahead and just make sure that they adhere to that. Now, another thing that you could do here is you could actually do a code review of your theme. So sometimes the theme itself might be the cause of this issue. So in this case, it is recommended that you want to go to the theme. So by the way, only do this if you're comfortable with doing a theme review for your Shopify website, because this can actually make or break your website. So only do this if you're familiar with that. So you want to go to the three-dot option here next to customize, and you want to go and click on the edit code option. And from here, you can go ahead and go to theme.liquid here and basically review or do a quick review here if everything is working properly. So what you're looking here for specifically are going to be scripts or code that you might have added before. So especially if for example, if an app requires you to add a very specific code or section in here, you might want to remove that if you're no longer use it, because if you're not using a specific section here, it might be the cause on your problem for visual stability. But yeah, so in this case, those are the things that you could do here to probably solve this issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.